Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2018 Infiniti Q50 3.0T. So this is the middle ground of the Q50. You can get the Q50 Red Sport, which has the same basic block, just tuned to produce 400 horsepower, 100 more than this model. Hagine blue or something like that. What are you in the comments that's gonna yell at me for it? This is the Luxe package, so everything's a little bit more luxurious. It's pretty good. Trunk space is phenomenal. Go ahead, sit in the back seat. Tons of room back here. All of this leather is just such good feeling materials in here. This is unreal. It'll beep to let you know that it's lost detection of this thing. Just look at the spec on this car. I mean, come on. All of this leather is all soft touch. The seats are probably the most comfortable seats I've ever been in. This is a very fun car, and really luxurious at that. This is what the Kia Stinger was going for, cars like this. Kia Stinger is an excellent car, but I don't think it's as good as this. Oh, I can't help but giggle like a little schoolgirl. These things. Producing 300 horsepower, this 3.0 liter twin turbo V6. It's a beast of a motor. I have no complaints with it. Thing's a rocket. You'll never have no passing power. And also I'm so glad that Infiniti didn't use Nissan's CVT for these cars. They went with a true 8-speed automatic. And it turns it into a rocket. The mid-range of this car in the power band is phenomenal. Nice Challenger. With the Red Sport, you could get paddles behind the wheel. The 3.0T did not come with them. However, you do have your manual mode. That's extremely responsive. So you have a bunch of different modes: snow, eco, standard, and the good mode, sport. Man, oh man. It has such a unique sound to it, too. It's not like every other twin-turbo V6. It's almost like the GTR. It's really, really unique. That is just outstanding. It's really I test drove a Q60 Red Sport, but I had the sales guy with me, and it had the full electric steering where there's no actual connection, and that's what I just didn't like. I couldn't get over that. But with this actual steering, it's phenomenal. Slow down to 40 for our suspension test. Has a lot of low down power too. Okay, I gotta start going through the checklist that I do with every car. Steering feel, fantastic. Really good. Brake pedal feel, phenomenal as well. Good amount of bite on the initial press of the pedal. Throttle pedal is great as well. Just a ton of power under that pedal. Visibility, phenomenal. I have no real blind spots. Comfort, daily drivability, even better. On that note, I'll wrap up this video, guys. What a fantastic car the Q50 is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video.